Are you in Bloomington and dreaming of enhancing your home's privacy or security? Welcome to Northland Fence, your go-to fencing services provider in Bloomington for over 20 years. We've cemented our reputation as Bloomington's top choice for fence installation, thanks to our extensive experience and dedication. Thanks to our well-stocked showroom, we offer competitive pricing on a wide array of premium fencing materials, including versatile vinyl, sturdy chain link, and elegant ornamental steel. For Bloomington homeowners seeking a maintenance-free option that boosts privacy, our vinyl fencing is unbeatable. And for those desiring a blend of classic beauty and robust protection, our ornamental steel fencing is second to none. Looking to safeguard a playful yard for your kids and pets? Our cost-effective chain link fences are perfect for securing your outdoor space. At Northland Fence, we're proud of our exceptional craftsmanship and unparalleled customer service. We're committed to transforming your Bloomington home into the sanctuary you deserve. Don't wait any longer. Call us today at 763-316-4881 and let Northland Fence turn your Bloomington fencing dreams into reality.